What's up, guys? Today we are doing this. Can y'all even see that little bobber on this? Y'all probably can't even see it. Here. See that tiny little hook? Come on. Focus! It doesn't want to focus. Focus, 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 focus on that tiny little hook. So we're brim fishing, well, actually bait fish fishing on some bread. So let's go ahead and wrap this around. Alright, let's go. I'm literally about to go catch a fish on a motor control boat. Yes, people are going to be staring at me. I'm about 100% sure. At least one person will be staring at me.
What is that kid doing?
Fishing with a motor control boat. Gotta respect people. I'm not going to show you on this guy's license plate. Sorry, I can't see the license plate. Let's try. Nice try. Okay, we're good now.
That's loud.
Duck's right here. Dang. Dude, that thing is loud. That thing is a little too loud, actually. I've already seen some big fish. They're actually not that far out. I could literally cast at them right now if I really wanted to. Okay. Now the line's out. Just get just a tiny piece of bread right here. Just a tiny little piece. And then we're going to take my boat out there. See what we can catch. I really do not want... Oh, these waves. The boat's going to have to handle it though. Did my bait come off? I don't know how to drive. That didn't sound too well. Yep, my bait came off. Yep, my bait came off. Alright, we gotta do something about this boat. We gotta do something about this. I really do not want my bait to come off. Alright, so we're just gonna do a different little trick. Mush it up already before I put it on the hook, and then just put it in the hook. Just like that. And then mush it up again. Alright. Attempt 2. Let's try this again. Come on. Oh, I have something? Oh, oh. I feel like I have something spinning with it. And do I? Nope, no fish. And no bait. Dang it, man. This thing is hard. Over there, yes. I might not be able to reach those little big bait fish near that dock. Cast netting. So you know what can? This. We're gonna set it up. There's more than that. Guys, I didn't kind of make it seem like I was recording those people. There's a lot under there. Let's see. They're more interested in the boat.